Minimalism is a common trend in today's generation, both for the young and the young at heart. It's certainly a goal for many older adults who are looking to downsize their belongings and home to enjoy a more active and maintenance-free lifestyle. And when it comes to the size of your home, sometimes less is more. Hi, I'm Denise Swick, broker at RE/MAX Performance. Here are 5 things to look forward to once you downsize your house. Number 1, you can realize financial benefits, especially now. Reducing or eliminating your mortgage and or property taxes adds a great degree of freedom to your monthly budget. The new space can allow you to do things you've always wanted to do, such as traveling, going back to school perhaps, paying off debt, spending more time on activities with your family, enjoying more entertainment, and picking up a new hobby. Number 2, you'll reduce your time spent on your home's care and upkeep. Caring for and keeping up your house can require a lot of time, money, and wear and tear on our bodies. Plus, the larger and older the house, the more care and upkeep it usually requires. One of the benefits of a smaller house is fewer areas to require constant maintenance. This is especially true if you choose a newer house or a condo where the association handles all the upkeep for you. Number 3, you'll enjoy a cozier atmosphere. The fewer spaces you have available to spread out and to separate you in your house, the more comfortable it becomes. Large homes can offer so many rooms, people can get lost in them. Smaller homes can create intimate environments for family bonding, provide close-knit entertaining for small parties and gatherings with friends, generate a warm and inviting atmosphere for relaxation as well. And downsizing your house can encourage a simpler living and more family connections, and a happier sense of self and family. Number 4, it will force you to declutter. Smaller homes mean fewer spaces to store anything that isn't essential for daily living. In a small house, even the tiniest amounts of clutter can be overwhelming very quickly. And creative organization may come in the form of digitizing your photos, your music, your movies, your book collection, and doing so allows you to share many of the originals with friends and with family members. It's a win-win, while allowing you to still enjoy these items without occupying a great deal of your new space. And number 5, you'll sell unnecessary items. Because space will be a premium in your house now, it will become essential to eliminate some of your possessions before moving in, and even some after you get there. Selling unnecessary items for your new home is a great way to turn the loss of these items into something beneficial for you, which is cash. Auctions, online services like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, and consignment shops are all great ways to sell unnecessary items that you won't be needing and turn them into some income for you. So although much is written about the cons of downsizing, there can and are many awesome reasons to go ahead and take the plunge. Denise Swick & Company specializes in downsizing and relocating of seniors, whether it's across the street or across the country. You can find me at deniseswick.com or call or text me at 937-619-7454. Thanks for watching.